Hello students, welcome to Vipin Sharma physics channel. And dear students, there is one doubt section of a student. The question is that there is a ball dropped from a height h and it takes time t after how much time the ball rises to height h upon 2. So dear students, this is the question. A ball dropped from a height h and it takes time t. After how much time the ball rises to the height h upon 2. First of all, we'll like to go with the concept. What concept here we will apply here? Understanding of statement first. This is a height h and this is a height h upon 2. What is h? Half gt square. T is equal to root 2h upon g. The t dash is the time taken by the ball to reach to the height h upon 2. So h upon 2 is equal to half gt dash square. So t dash is equal to 2h upon 2g, that is equal to h upon g. Market number 2. From first and second, t dash upon t is equal to what? Root h upon g, root 2h upon g. So t dash is equal to t upon root 2. Students, this is a simple question. The doubt which has been asked to me by a student. It's a simple question. In this very question, we are going to find the time taken by the ball to rise to the height h upon 2. This is nothing but t dash upon root 2. If it is h upon 2, t dash upon root 2, what happens if it is h by 4? Right? H by n. So you can make a shortcut. So dear students, this question is very important for the 9th level. Even sometimes it's asked, like, and ICSE level also. Thank you very much. I hope this doubt is clear to the student.